Hi, my name is Daniel, and today we're going to talk about code snippets within the AbleStar bulk product editor. Code snippets allow you to write code in Liquid that is then used to modify your products. This is great for doing things like setting Google Shopping fields or other meta fields where you might have some data that comes in to your products, but all these secondary fields aren't filled out. For this example, we're just going to add some tags to a product based on its size. So if we have a product like this, we have option 2 values of this, and we'd like to add tags to these products that say size is equal to L, XL, etc. To do that, we'll go over to Automations, down to Code Snippets, and we can create our new example code snippet. This will take us to the code editor. On the left-hand side, you can write pretty much any Liquid code that you want, and then on the right-hand side, you can preview this Liquid code against products on your store without making the actual modifications yet. As I mentioned, you can write pretty much any Liquid code here. The main thing that you want to, or that you'll want to be working with, is the product object in Liquid. So if we just wrote some Liquid code to print out the product's title, and here we'll choose a product to run this code against, and we do preview. If we go over to debug output, then we'll see that the product title is there. Printing out stuff is useful for debugging, but it doesn't actually update the product fields. In order to do that, we could say something like use the assign command and say like assign product.title is equal to test. And if we run this, go over to modifications, we see that product.title is in fact changed to test, and the old value for that was Lodge T-shirt ladies, and the new value is test. That's kind of an overview of how it works. So let's get started now in actually adding these tags to the product. So if we want to take a closer look at what fields we have within the product object, we can go down to product data, and we see all the different fields here and all the variants over here. So what we can do is we can go and we'll loop through all the variants. So we'll use a for loop. And then just for testing, what we can do is we can print out the SKU and the variance option 2 value. Previewing that, we go over here and we see SKUs and the sizes. So that's great. What we can do now is use the capture expression within Liquid to build the new tag that we'd like to add. So we'll do capture, new tag, and we'll say size is equal to that. Again, for testing, we can print out this value of the new tag, and we see that we would have these tags that we would add to the product. Once we have these tags, we can assign them to the product. So we'll do assign product.tags is equal to product.tags. And then we've added a few extra filters that we'll include in the documentation. And one of these is called add tag. So we would add the new tag, and that should do it for us. So now if we preview this, there's no debug output, but going over to modifications, we see that the product tags would now have a size equals XL tag, a size equals small tag, etc. So this looks great here. And what we can do is we can save this. And now we have a code snippet in our case called example. Now there's a few ways we can use this code snippet. The first one is just with a regular in-app edit. So if we go to in-app edit, we'll look just for this one product for now. We can do edit products, and then field to edit. We select that, go down to actions, and we'll see our example code snippet there. And if we do that, we see that it would run this code snippet against all our matching products. And in this case, we would see these tags added to the product. The other way that we can apply this code snippet to our product is using product rules. Product rules are applied to products every time a product is created and or updated. So what we would do for that is we would go back to the app, we would click on create rule, and then we would choose a modification to add to that rule. In this case, we would look for our code, for our example code snippet, click on add modification, and what we would have here if we save this would be a product rule that would run this code snippet on any products whenever they're created. There's also the option when the product is updated or created. So if you were to save this code snippet, every time you would add a variant to one of your products, it would automatically get the tag with the option to value. There's a lot more to dig in here, a lot more things you can do with setting meta fields, collections, things like that. We have some documentation on our knowledge base, and if you have any other questions while you're getting familiarized with the code snippets, please don't hesitate to ask.